Have you ever wondered what you're truly made of? What about the air you're breathing right now? The water you drink? Food you eat? Clothes you wear? Or the phone you're holding? The answer to all of these questions is something incredibly, almost unimaginably small. Everything is made out of atoms. An atom is the fundamental building block of all matter. It's the smallest possible piece of an element that still behaves like that element. To give you an idea of how tiny they are, you could fit millions of atoms across the single width of a human hair. So, what's inside this tiny powerhouse? At the very center of every atom, there's a nucleus, which is made up of particles called protons and neutrons. Whizzing around this nucleus are even smaller particles called electrons. But here's where it gets really strange. Early models showed electrons orbiting the nucleus like planets around the sun. But modern science tells us a different story. In reality, an atom is mostly empty space. If you could somehow scale up the nucleus to the size of a marble, the entire atom would be as large as a football stadium. All that space in between is where the electrons live. This is why matter can feel so solid, even though at the atomic level, it's mostly emptiness. Electrons don't follow neat, circular paths. Instead, they exist in fuzzy regions, called orbitos, often described as electron clouds. These clouds represent the probability of where an electron might be at any given moment, not its exact location. Electrons also occupy specific energy levels. When they absorb energy, they get excited and jump to a higher level. When they fall back down, they release that energy, often as light or heat. This is the very reason why different elements can produce beautiful, distinct colors and spectra, and it gets even weirder. Electrons are strange. They have a dual nature, acting as both particles and waves. This is a key idea in quantum mechanics. Atoms are never still. They are constantly moving, vibrating, combining with other atoms, and rearranging themselves. This constant dance is what makes life possible. The process of cooking, the air you breathe, the digestion of your food, the way medicines work, it's all chemistry. And chemistry is all about the interactions between atoms. This is ChemInsight, where chemistry meets life. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to follow us for more amazing chemistry.